When it comes to Oak Island, North Carolina, and the reliability of your roof, there's one name that stands out: Hallman Roofing. At Hallman Roofing, we recognize the significance of a durable and secure roof in Oak Island's coastal environment. Our dedicated team is your go-to choice for addressing roof repair needs, ensuring your Oak Island home remains protected. We excel in restoring your roof's strength and resilience from minor repairs to substantial damage. We take pride in using only the finest materials and innovative techniques to fortify your roof against Oak Island's unique weather conditions. Customer satisfaction is our driving force. We collaborate closely with you to safeguard your home. Ready to address your roof repair concerns? Reach out to us today at 910-228-7641. Or visit our website at hallmanroofing.com/location/oak-island-nc-roof-replacement-and-repair. When you entrust your Oak Island roof to Hallman Roofing, you choose expertise, reliability, and a commitment to your home's welfare. Discover the distinctive Hallman Roofing touch. Contact us today, and let's ensure your roof is as strong as the Oak Island community it protects. Experience the Hallman Roofing difference. Ensure your roof is as resilient as your home. Hallman Roofing, your trusted partner for roof repairs in Oak Island, North Carolina.